Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what we have here. We have 3 Samsung remotes. 2 of them are for a smart 4K Bluetooth compatible TV, and other ones for a DVD Blu-ray player. And I figured I'd do a short video on how to open up the battery compartments of these smart TV ones. You can see kind of the back. It's not all that obvious how to do it. Where the DVD one, it's a little more obvious. You get this little line, which is more traditional to a battery compartment, and you can just kind of, generally what to do. You kind of push it and get it out of the way, and that exposes the battery compartment for this one, which is a similar shape. But for these ones, well, you don't really get a line. You get a line here, but it's really kind of unclear how to open these up. And I know there are a number of us out there that have struggled how to open these things up. So we'll show you how to do that today. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You look on the back and you don't see any doors, but in fact, the entire back is the cover for the battery compartment. And if you zoom up right up on top, you will notice a little bit of hopefully it could focus, kind of an arrow. And that's kind of where you're going to be putting your thumbs. You could potentially do it down here as well, but this is kind of where you want to focus at. So let's actually grab the other one since it actually has batteries in it. And so it has this arrow here. And what you want to do is kind of hold it like this in 2 hands and put your thumbs right up on top and kind of depress and then move this way and kind of notice the bottom here. So I depress and kind of rotate it, and you can see this separated, and now this whole thing will come out. And now the batteries are just here. All this is just covered up with this cover, but that's how you do it. And to replace it, you just kind of put it back where it's here and push back, and there you go. So it is pretty easy, but it may not be that intuitive initially. So if you do have some problems, let's say it's stuck, you might want to use some gloves or something that's more, if your thumbs are slipping, you might want to just, get some rubber gloves or something to help you grip that case and get it up. So that's all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.